Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a plant that's been famous for its healing powers for thousands of years. You might even have one growing in a pot right now. I'm talking about aloe vera. This succulent plant, with its thick, fleshy leaves, holds a clear, gel-like substance inside that is just packed with amazing benefits, both for your skin and for your digestion. Let's start with aloe vera for your skin, because that's probably what most of us know it for. Imagine you've spent a little too much time in the sun, and your skin feels hot and irritated. Reaching for some aloe vera gel is often the first thing people do, and for good reason. It's incredibly soothing and cooling. This is because aloe vera gel is mostly water, which helps to hydrate the skin, but it also contains compounds that have natural anti-inflammatory properties. It helps calm down that redness and discomfort, making your skin feel much better. It's like a gentle, cool hug for irritated skin. Beyond sunburns, it's also great for minor cuts, scrapes, and even just to hydrate dry skin. It absorbs easily and leaves your skin feeling refreshed. But the magic of aloe vera isn't just skin deep. It's also been used for centuries to help with digestion. If you've ever felt a bit sluggish or had some digestive discomfort, a little aloe vera juice might be just what you need. When you drink aloe vera juice, make sure it's food grade and purified. It can help soothe the lining of your digestive tract. It contains enzymes that can aid in breaking down food and compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the gut. Some people find it helps with occasional constipation, acting as a mild laxative, while others use it to help calm an upset stomach. It's like a gentle cleanser and soother for your insides, helping everything run a bit more smoothly. However, a quick word of caution. If you're thinking of trying aloe vera for digestion, it's really important to use a product specifically made for internal consumption and to follow the dosage instructions. Not all aloe vera products are created equal, and some might contain parts of the plant that can cause digestive upset if consumed. Always check the label and perhaps even chat with a health professional if you have any concerns. So, whether you're looking to calm irritated skin or give your digestion a helping hand, aloe vera is a fantastic natural remedy to consider. It's a true testament to the power of plants to support our well-being. Have you ever used aloe vera? Let me know your experiences in the comments below.